No, I didn't mean to turn that on. There's just too much stuff going on. Like, I don't like when all these wires is just everywhere. It just look nasty. Like when wires are just everywhere. I need everything in one spot. Everything in one spot. Need everything in one spot. Let's go. Wow. I was thinking about entering from here. Like if it just show me like if tomorrow it shows me like resistance and then push back up, I enter. But right now, as of right now, I just don't feel. I don't really feel good entering from here. This is like and really, you want to enter from like right here, like right here, low key. Like low key, you want to enter from here. Make the stop loss. Ooh, a 5. Damn, that's tough. So, granted, this is a 5, but because this is a long drop. But granted, if it come above here, and at least if it come above here, just close out at break even. That's what I'll do. But right now, I'm not really touching this right now until if it come up here, because guarantee it's gonna come above. And if it come above here, it should shoot. But if it breaks this, it's just gonna tank. It's gonna tank. It's gonna tank for me. Like, granted, I'm then entered. Like, granted, enter this loss. Granted, enter this loss. Because I'm entering from these points of areas, and these are good points to enter from. But as of right now, let's start off with gold. So as you can see, I think gold is just tired. Like, hey, it wants to come down. But even if it wants to come down, like before it breaks this, I think it should come up. That's why I said I'll take like a little profits here. Like this is like a 2, maybe a 3, like a 2R. Like, so say it comes to here. This is about, it's probably like a 1R. Like, say if it come to here, boom, come like right here. That's about a 1.8R. Granted, just either take profits or do what you decide to do with that one. Or I like how this look for the buys. Like I said, granted, I don't sell until it tells me to sell. Like, it's not really telling me to sell. Like, this is not telling me, hey, it's starting to sell. Because people be like, sell right here. I'm buying. When it dips, I buy. Granted, I sold here on some dumb stuff, but I went break even. Dips, buy. You see, every time it dips, I buy. It's not breaking lows like on a higher time frame. So therefore, I'm going to buy. Like, I'm not saying gold is a sell until I see sell. Like, if it breaks down here and it's breaking lows and it just keep going and it retrace up, then I start to and it's not breaking the highs, then I start to sell with it on a smaller time frame. Then I'll start to sell on a smaller time frame. But very good. Let's see. So that's what you see for gold. Gold, it's still, I like how gold looks. Granted, I like how gold looks. That's not been our that's just our setup for today. Like I said, if it comes down, even if it pushes back up, I can still see it at least hitting, and especially if it stay above here, I might just close. But right now, I'm not going to touch gold until really probably till tomorrow. I'm not going to mess with gold. 30, my boy. My boy, what's good? 30. I ain't gonna lie. 30, I woke up on. I said I woke up. I swear the market hit at 6 p. It opened at 6 p.m. It was already in. I put the TP a little lower. Like I would have still been in this. I'm mad I put the TP lower. I need 0.5% left to finish the account too. So I almost passed. Look, once it hit 6 o'clock, they took me out the trade. They said that jump was high. I need like 0.5% on the account and I'm done. Almost had 3 bands on the other account. I didn't trade today, but I woke up with the rack. So I was like, I woke up with the rack. Yeah, that's slight. Woke up with the rack. I really ain't trading nothing today. Like I didn't really like look where I came from US 30. Yeah, I really ain't trade today. That's I can't wait to do like I want to get way more money on my like regular account, bro. Cause it's like when I get like 1K pay, I'm gonna just throw like half of that in my regular account. They do taxes on that shit, so probably like leave like 200 to the side, 300 to splurge. Nah, Nas is looking crazy. I like how US 30 was looking Friday. That's why I took it. But because I was thinking about taking out 1,000 from my personal account, but I'm like, man, if I take out 1,000, I really can't hit a lot of bread. So I'm like, I don't want to take out. I don't really want to take out money. I'm trying to get like you. I'm gonna try to get like 10K in my account. I might do options. Maybe next year I'll do options. I don't know. Like once yeah, I ain't even trying to take out right now. Like if I take out, it's gonna be like $200-300. Just Yeah, that's what I did, man. I don't like gold, so I'm not in gold yet. Granted, if you gold just keep selling, I don't give a fuck. Gold is just gonna tell me, uh, 30. I like, bro. Woo, that 30. 30, 30. That joint got me. That joint had me doing wonders. So I want 30 to retrace. Maybe I could get back in. Yeah, that's why I say I need like I just need like 20K in my account. Cause even if I make like 4K, make 24K, I could take out a little 1,500. But if I only got 2,000 in my account, taking out like 1,000, that shit ain't gonna make me a lot of money while I'm trading with. So I'm not really trying to take out money yet. I ain't gonna lie, maybe like if I hit like 5 bands, I'll take out 1,000 just cause I'm be like, I put in 750. So I'm gonna just take out 1,000 and I'm be like, all right, let me just chill. Yeah, gold puts. I don't know. Like gold would sell. I just don't like selling, bro. I just don't want to sell. Like I said, I'd rather just wait until it tell me to sell like completely. I'll sell. Like once it breaks my line right here, okay, I'll sell after that. But I don't really. I'm just not gonna take it. But 30, Nas, Nas was looking. Nas was looking crazy. But a lot of people did sell gold though. Like if I looked on like the hour time frame on gold, I probably would have sold. But it's like when you wake up with the bag, it's like you don't give a fuck. I'm like, man, I just need to stay out the market. That's how I felt today. I will like, all right, let me see. Like, granted, boom, boom. You know how much times I would have just sold off a smaller time frame? Like, look, it's like I just look at the long time, like this, like I would have just sold so much times. It never really would have hit stop. Like I probably would have sold to like right here and then just hold. Like I would have been in this joint since probably like all right. I probably would have entered like right here, stop loss right here. Probably would have entered this like Thursday or Friday. Made this TP right here, and then made the next TP like right. Nah, I won't even make this. I probably just break. Like I would have made this my TP and then just hold. I won't even make no TP after that. I like how gold is though. Like, granted, if I do buy gold and it comes above here, I'm closing out at break even. I'm cool with that because I closed this one out at no, I didn't. I closed this one out at break even. This one, I fell asleep on this one. I fell asleep on this joint. Nas. Woo! Look at Nas. Nas. Ooh, Nas looking beautiful. Bro, look at Nas. Bro, Nas looks so beautiful. Woo! Bro, Nas looking like. Woo! Do we got news? Do we have news? Let me check. Do we get news coming up? On Wednesday, okay. Fed fund rate, okay. So we ain't got news till what, Wednesday? I don't see nothing I don't see nothing Tuesday. But Wednesday. Whoo! Oh man. I'm trying to see. Hopefully Nas don't keep rising. Yeah, I heard about that joint. Hopefully, I don't know what Nas is going. I hopefully it don't keep rising. I wanted to pull back. Like, why did it go crazy like this? When did it go? Oh, it went crazy. Sunday. But damn, it should have pulled back a little bit and then started taking. If it pulled back, I probably would have entered on my real account and probably entered. So I got gold. Really, I'm really waiting on 30 to drop. If 30 drop, that's a good buy right there. I like 30 buys way more because Nas already took off. You see, Nas already took off. I like how 30 looking right now. I like how 30 look. Is it got this little joint need to fill, come up. I probably, if I could enter early, I would. I even enter like right here off the hour. Like, let me see. Cause I had a good ass entry. This was low-key good. I probably like entered like somewhere like right here. I don't know. I don't like this jump. Cause that stop that fucking is it at least a 2R? It's not even a 2R. I probably wouldn't take this. If it came here, if it was a 2R, I would have took it. Because once it hit here, I would have just closed out, break even. If it come back, it just didn't want to go up. But if it do, I'm gonna still just close out, break even. Oh no, so gold, I'm gonna put the alert right here because if gold hit sells, if gold is finally a sale, I might have to wait 2 days anyways to get like the best gold setup. Like to get the best gold setup, I'm gonna just wait like so if it break down here and start going, once it retrace, I'm gonna just start selling with it. But right now, I'm not in this one now. But granted, if it does come here and it doesn't break, if it doesn't break this by tomorrow or Wednesday, I probably just buy. So I'm gonna buy somewhere down here. Once it break my yellow line and go up a little bit, I'm gonna just close out break even, just not to you know come back down because it can be a downtrend. It's just a higher time frame. Hour show me sales. The 4 hour technically, let me see. 4 hours technically low key. It is probably telling me sales, but it didn't. I wish it went a little. Did it? Yeah, it kind of is. It kind of is. I just don't want to sell right now. That's probably it. Cause what? Once it broke here, like if it's sold, I probably would have wanted to, but I would have thought it was a buy. So I'm gonna just leave this. I'm gonna leave gold. I'm gonna see sell all the way from 3,000. I call the sales from 4,000. From 4,000. So from yo. Like yeah. Like so, if it is sales, like I want it from like you, like that's like perfect. I'm seeing so from 3,000. I call this 4,000. Like four. Let me see 4. Like yeah, like from here. Yeah, it should go to a little. Like yeah, if it go to 3,000, I think it's go 3,900. I think it's just gonna keep going down. This is gonna keep going. I don't think it's gonna have to run back down. That's what I'm thinking. like 3,009. Like what I got it. If it break 3,000, what is this? 45. If it breaks it, I think that shit is melting down. That shit gonna melt. Hell yeah, the junk gonna melt. Yeah, cause yeah. So look, like I said, on the hour, if I sold, I would have sold. This would have been like my gold area right here, like maybe like right here. It would have came up. Soon as this broke, boom, came here. Yeah, like I said, this would have been my gold area. Sold right here. Sold right here doesn't break this. You can find something lower. You can find something like right here. This look like a good sell right here. You can find something like this would have been a good sell from here, like maybe like right here, and then I could just look at it and say this is where I would have sold from. Like something like this, I would have sold, but I'm just trying to be patient. Like I'm trying to be patient. Like I'm just not in GJ. I'm not like I said. I'm not GJ. Fucking did me dirty, bro. Fucking WLWLL still made money off GJ, but GJ, I'm just not touching right now. It just don't look good. GJ just not looking good. Like, granted, it's a buy now, but come back down and then go up. I'll buy. I just don't. I still don't like the box. I wish it surged up out of this bitch. Like, boom, like broke this junk. Like, I wish it just broke it. Like, at least to like right here and then just surge back down. I would have bought. But as of right now, it just looked like it's like it could be fake outs. Like, boom, boom. We just playing around and it's gonna come back down. Like, if it breaks this, granted, I just won't buy. But if I see something I can find in somewhere in this area, so I can enter early to get from here to here to here to here, I will enter. But GJ, I just don't like it. Let me look at this. Like this. Like this is like Sunday buy. Like this. This would have been a good buy today. You know. Let me see. Hold up. Boom. Hold up. Let me see 4 hour. Boom. Sells. Boom. Sells again. Come up. Sells again. It breaks here. Comes up. Buy. Breaks here. Comes up. Buy. Breaks here. Comes up. You can tell when to buy though. Like boom. Breaks there. Comes down to here. Doesn't break. Enter somewhere here. Buy. Comes to here. Boom. You hold, you just got stopped out. Take out 50%, whatever. Comes back down here, comes up, buy, goes to here, take out percentage, still didn't hit stop loss, comes here. Day two, comes here, buy again, boom, comes here, breaks, stop loss, put that stop loss to stop loss, take out a percentage because what? Once it came down from here, once it hit here again, just take out a percentage and just let it rock. Don't be greedy. Let me see what else I got. Let me look at them stocks. This is NZD USD New Zealand. I don't know. I'm just looking at a forex pair. I was thinking about trading, but because I only got gold, 30 and Nas and GJ. That's the only 4 pairs I trade. Niggas like just stay with them 4 pairs. But granted, US 30, I have to wait till tomorrow. Gold, I gotta wait for me. Yeah, you right. Like Nas, I gotta wait. Unless I just trade smaller time frames. I just don't want to trade smaller time frames because I like getting them. I like getting them high RRs. Like granted, like gold. Granted, you could have sold. Like if you just looked on the hour, you can sell. Like on the hour, it's telling you to sell. Like it's so easy. On the hour, it's telling you to sell. So I just didn't. I just don't. I don't really want to. Yeah, if I had to pick 2 pairs, it'd probably be Nas 100 and GJ though. I ain't gonna lie. Gold is just hot right now. Yeah, I like Nas. I ain't gonna lie. Is it Nas I keep winning? Or is it 30? I think was it Nas? Yeah, it was Nas. Nas, I keep winning. Yeah, Nas, I keep winning. 30 is like 50-50. I'm like 50-50 with 30. Yeah, I'm like 50-50 with 30. But you see how I like go for long RRs. I don't really like them small shits. I know I got more trades and it's just not showing for some reason. Um, GB. Let's see. Let me look at some Tesla or something. What happened? This what happened today? No, Thursday. Thursday. What happened today? Friday. This happened Monday. I like how this look. Boom. Boom. I would have been mad as hell. But straight in options, I probably would have just held this bitch. Like options, I maybe would have held like I don't know. That's why options and stop loss is two different things. Because options, I would have let this one go. Because it once it hit here, but trading options, I was like, man, I'm holding. And it went up this day. I probably just closed break even. Because when would I have entered this shit? Nah, low key. Let me see. It breaks. Nah, I probably would have entered because it broke here, comes back down, boom. Maybe I enter from here, and then it comes back up. Maybe I won't even enter this shit. I know I enter this guarantee. Guarantee I would have entered this one. I don't know about this one, but guarantee I would have entered this one. I would have went break. I would have took out profits and just went break even because it hit stop loss. Let me look at what was that? Tesla? Was that Tesla? Mm-hmm. Damn, I was Tesla. Let me see what else in the video. You see, like NVIDIA. I said I would have bought NVIDIA Wednesday, last Wednesday, and just hold it. Just hold this shit. Yeah, I think it was Wednesday or some shit. I said once it hit here Wednesday, hold. Let's hold. Don't. It's like let's hold this shit. Boom. I didn't want to scout this. Like I wouldn't have scout this low key, but I'd have hit here, break even. I would have went break even. You know, I'm gonna start. I go break even a lot low key. Cause look, I went hit here, hit my yellow bar. Cause if it don't break the yellow bar, it's coming back down. If it don't break this shit, it's gonna come back to that. It's like guaranteed it almost comes back. Like if it doesn't want to break here, if it surge up, it's gonna surge like this. Once it surge, it's flying. But NVIDIA, I would have entered from here. Boom. Probably went break even because it did come back here low key. Low key, I probably would have went break even too. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Cause it's certain stuff you just win and certain stuff you just don't. Like look, comes here, hits, break even. Cause I'm like, bro, if it doesn't come here and break, if it go back to strong, most likely it's gonna come back to here. But sometimes it don't. But that's the risk that's the calculated risk I already took. So I probably would have went break even. Let's see let's look at something else. I like that NVIDIA one. I told you that NVIDIA one was good. Apple. Apple just going off. I don't really care. Amazon. Like, look, Amazon. Look what I drew. It's not hard. It's just the patience I gotta have with this shit, man. It's really just patient. Like every time I hit our gold jump, that's our buying point. Because look, guaranteed from gold to here, it kind of goes to the same spot. Boom, comes here, drop. Boom. It doesn't go here, but I didn't say it was 100%. So it's just a calculated risk. Most of the time, it does go here. You just go break even. Like, so say, all right, it's breaking our lines. Boom. You could draw your lines anywhere, but you see these highs. So it breaks here, comes down, breaks here again. I'm closing this bitch out at break even, maybe a little bit above break even. Nah, I close it out at break even because if it comes here, I'll probably be like, maybe wicks down and come back up. So I ought to close this one at break even. This one with a boom came here, break. It breaks this, boom, enter. I'm closing this one at break even as of right now. I close like Amazon. I would have closed this one at break even. Like I said, I would have entered this Wednesday. Like I said, if I enter Amazon Wednesday, this is where I would have been at. And you just hold. Like you really just hold. My favorite joint is to hold for a long time. Not even for a long time, just for like 7-9 days. I don't care how much percentage I'm up. I'm trying to get the most. Like, granted, if you do want to take out some of it. Like, so say this is this is like, I don't know how much 400%. I don't know. Just take out like 200 and then just hold to here. Or just hold until, because a company could just run, bro. Like, especially like a company like Amazon could just run. Like, say Amazon. This is why I think sometimes you don't even take out fucking profits. Like, I hold, like, if I didn't put no TP for US 30, I probably would have just held. Yeah, Amazon could run. So like, this is what I would have did. If I entered Amazon Wednesday, I would have took out profits probably like it came above here and I seen this big as dip, probably here or here, depending on how I'm looking at. Like, if I didn't look at the charts, maybe if I just opened it anywhere from here to here, I would have took profits. So I would have took profits. Maybe no. I would have took profits right here because this fucking gap. Just because it could still surge though. I would have took profits somewhere around here once they gapped up in the morning. And then I probably just hold until, I don't know, a month, 2 months, or to go back to break even. It really doesn't matter. Because if you hold for a long time, you're gonna make that money, bro. That's like Nas. I was holding for like 2 weeks, bro. I was just making money. I wish I even held. Like, imagine if I was holding Nas to this day. Like, look. Like, yeah, not Nas US 30, stuff like that. You could hold forever because it always goes up. Like, it always goes up. Like, that's why I love holding like Nas. Like, when it comes to selling, I don't like holding. I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to selling, I don't like holding. Unless it's just a fucking trash company that's going bad. But anything that's like profitable, Tesla, I'm not holding for a long time. I hold, but I wouldn't hold for no damn long time. Unless it's just like a recession coming. I maybe hold for a week or two, but like in regular cases, like even when this was selling at a point, like right here, it was just selling. I'm not gonna hold for very long. I'm gonna just hit my TP and really probably just get out. But buys, I'm a hold. Cause look, imagine if I just held this jump since September to now. That's another 1,000 points. What else I want to look at? We're gonna look at a little meta. I've already drew something for a little meta. Look what I drew for meta. Look. Right now I'm closing out break even because if it comes down, the goal should just soar it up. Like this right here. If they don't buy it here to here, granted, it's just gonna come back to break even. Look what I drew. Look. Comes up, comes down. Look, comes up, comes down, comes here. I enter, boom, boom. Like I said, I'm down for 2 days. Granted, boom. Soon as it come here, soon as it came here today, I'm closing out at break even. You could take profits or what? 705. You bought that? Yeah, you probably got a super good entry. I would have bought at 720. Yeah, you got the super good entry. You said you bought at 705. That nigga crazy. That nigga got the sniper entry. I would have bought at 720. Let me see. Can I what? I'm trying to think. Would I have bought at 705? Probably not. I probably would have missed it. Maybe. Let me see. I'm trying to wait. 7. You said 705? At most? Fuck. At most, I'm not even gonna lie. At most, This is me just being realistic. I probably would have bought like right here. And it was this 710 close, but 710, maybe like stop loss like right here. Because if it go below here, first TP here, I would have took profits. Probably would have took like 50. I would have took a 50 ball from here, and then this. I'm pushing this one all the way up to here, taking another. I probably would have took 30% here, 20% here, and held on to that 50. Hold on to the 50 ball. Because if it runs, you're gonna be rich. Or just hold on forever. That's the risk you could take, but you're gonna make a lot of money. I would have held that most. I would have bought 710 though. That's a good entry though. That's a good entry. I would have bought that 710 at most though. Yo, did I look at my yeah. You see, but that like long term, I would have bought here. I would have entered Wednesday, been down for 2 days, came back up. We were close out that break even. But if I entered, I would have entered that 710 at most. If I was really looking at stocks, I would have probably entered that 710. Okay, let's what else we could look at? You said Meta. You probably Nvidia. I looked at Nvidia. Let me see so far. Look. I'm just drawing this bitch out. I keep telling niggas. God, going to 1K. What, Meta? Meta? Oh, yeah, we just looking at Meta. Yeah, I want to go back to, you said Meta 1K. Let me see. Hold up. Meta. Yeah, I'm just whole Meta. Like, if you in Meta now, take some profits and then just forget about it. That's what I'll do. Or just go break even if it come back. It's just the fact you made profits. You're gonna be like, oh well. Not much times that shit happened to me. Okay. And then the video. Let me see. I think I drew the video. You say you got that good 3. Yeah. What I drew from the video. Yeah. I would have held I ain't gonna lie, I would have held the video a little longer. But no, that's still straight though. Like that would have been like my first TP. I said it. Yeah, in the video, I would have. Let me see. Nvidia, like I said, Nvidia, I would have lost this one. I would have held this. No, I said I would have went break even on both of them. I'm not going front, but I would have took my profits here, right here for this one. I would have. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I would have just took profits here and then went break even on both of these joints. Maybe even push this up to right here. But granted, if it never hit my stop loss or my break even points, I would have held to here and I would took out something and I would have just held for life. But nah, that's a good. If you took out just now, that's cool because I would have took out right there too. I would have took out like right there. You see my blue arrow. I'm holding the video longer. I'm just holding SPY long-term SPY. Yeah, SPY and NAS is all the same thing. Or look, it's the same pattern. Bro, I just be drawing shit out. This shit be amazing me. I be wanting to go to options sometimes. It's all the same thing though. It's just I could look at so much more. Like SoFi. I would have entered SoFi. I'd have entered this. What, Thursday? I drew this Thursday? Look. I drew this Thursday. Wait, hold up. I might have lost though. Let me not lie. Okay, no. I barely lost. Wait, come here. Hold up. Boom. Boom. Yeah, I would have once he. No, I wouldn't have bought it right here. I would no. I wouldn't have bought this shit. Let me stop lying. I would have bought it right here. I am not even lying. Granted, I would have bought this and pushed this to right here. In all honesty, I would have bought it right here. I am not even capping. I don't know what made me no, because it never retraced. That's why I left it there. Like this didn't look like a buy to me yet. It's a buy now. then it traced back, and then it buys. Oh my gosh, I would have bought it right here. And then look, woo, that SoFi looking clean. And then it's happening what, like 3 days? SoFi clean. SoFi clean. I swear, if I just go to anything, I probably drew up. It kind of wins a lot. NVIDIA, you to hit. Like I said, yeah, NVIDIA. Yeah, just hold on to that shit. It's gonna hit. You just, I don't know. NVIDIA, one of those, it's just gonna hit. Like, what else I could look at? Hood. Look at Hood. Granted, I would have lost this shit, but I know where the market is going. I would have lost. Like, look, the thing you gotta. It comes with the grain. Like, but look, you already know what my mindset was at though. Like, granted, it came here. I probably would have entered. Boom. I don't have no re-entry point. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe if it dropped down a little bit, I probably would have entered, but this was a good buy. This, I don't give a fuck if you lose. That's a good buy, low key. That's a very good buy. Like, yeah, Hood is a good buy. Like, even though if I lost this shit, that's a good ass buy. That's a good, but it's like, this is like, I ain't gonna lie, this is like an A buy. You just lose some A's, bro. Nah, yeah, he probably, yeah, how much he made? I gotta start looking at the check, probably muting shit. Cause my brother, he getting us some chains and shit. I said, I ain't really a jewelry person, but shit, I cop a free chain and nigga sending us chains and shit. He's buying chains. He just hit me today. Told me I'm getting some chains. Some family pendant chains. Oh, man, I do want them gold chains though. I just don't want no pendant. But or them black. I want some black diamonds. Nah, I want some black diamonds. I don't know why. I've been looking at black diamonds. I want some black diamonds. And I think, ain't you supposed to be getting a chain too? Where that chain come? When that chain coming? I just want some black diamonds. I don't, out the gold and black diamonds. That's it. I don't really want like the big flashy joints. Just give me gold and black diamonds. I don't want real diamonds. Oh, diamonds, black diamonds is diamonds. Yeah, Hood, that's a good jump though. He made, I know my boy made some money. Yeah. All right, it's too much to look at. Ooh, that chain coming. Cause the black diamond is not even a lot though. I just gonna get 2 black diamond necklaces. I'm gonna get off this shit. Granted, the most I probably trade tomorrow is maybe nothing again. Unless 30 come down, sure. Yeah, facts. But hopefully I could pass. Nah, I'ma just wait. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not rushing it. Maybe 30 gonna come down. I ain't got no trades in right now. I probably won't trade tomorrow either. I'll probably wait till Wednesday because one good trade is good for me. Like, I waited till Friday for one good trade. Look, I waited till Friday for this. Look, I waited till Friday. Look at this shit. I waited till Friday for one good trade. You know what's crazy? I kept losing this whole week. That's why I be like, some people, I lose more than I win. I'm at a 40% win rate, but I lost 3 times this week and went break even twice. This shit right here made me more money than my losses and my break even. I just made more money for the whole week because my RR is so fucking crazy. I lost what, 3 or 2 times? I gotta look it up. 3 or 2 times, and I went break even twice. And this made up for it. This right here just made up for it, and I won some more. So yeah. But nah, let me get up out of here. I'm gonna go live tomorrow. Hopefully I find a trade. But hey, come fuck with me tomorrow. If you want to do like a little Zoom call or something, we could do that tomorrow. Facts, man. Let's do that call tomorrow. We're gonna do a little call tomorrow. But all right, my boy, I'm gonna get up out of here. Bet.